softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free.
Everyone has something they're quietly manifesting in life. And I do too. Not just dreams, but also growth. I'm manifesting a better version of myself. Someone who continues to learn. Someone who can express what's in her heart. And someone who chooses to grow closer to God every single day. I may not be there yet, but I know I'm becoming. And maybe that's what manifestations really is. Not just hoping for something to happen, but it's slowly transforming into the person who's ready to receive it. My life may not look like my dreams yet, but I'm holding on to my faith. I'm trusting God even when the path isn't clear, and little by little, I'm learning to trust what I don't see yet.
Hey guys! So, magmerienda tayo ngayon.
Ha?
Masyado na matamis yung tinapay, pero masarap siya.
Pangit naman. Kapit subok din niya.
Pwede mo naman i-post sa Facebook lang.
Balik ulit sa pagiging madilim ang ating vlog for today. Char. Nawala kasi ilaw. Yung binili ko nung nakaraan nawawala. Hindi ko mahanap. Kaya ayun. Ang ginagamit kong ilaw na naman pag nag-film ako ay yung flashlight na lang muna ng aking phone, ng camera ng cellphone ko.
Wala pa man tayo sa buhay na pinapangarap natin. But deep in my heart, I believe this is the year our manifestations will come to life. We just need to believe, to trust, and to hold on to our faith. And most importantly, to ask for God's guidance while taking steps toward the life we've been praying for. In this season, natutunan kong ibigay ng buo ang tiwala at paniniwala ko kay Lord. Even my own manifestations in life, I surrendered them to His hands.
Ayan! Dumating na ulit ang mga boxes of notebooks namin na namang pagkakaabalahan. Tingnan natin yung laman. Ito guys, yung yung notebook namin tatahiin. Ang cute ng design. Look!
Bilangin mo. Labas mo. Ilawan mo.
Buksan mo ilaw.
Matagal-tagal din pala kaming nawala ng tatahiing notebooks, kaya buti naman ay may dumating na ulit. And eto muna ang pinagkakaabalahan namin ngayon. Hindi man malaki ang kita pero still grateful pa rin. Minsan nakakatamad, nakakapagod, and masakit din sa likod kasi maghapong nakaupo kapag nagtatahi ng notebooks. Pero natutunan ko rin sa buhay na dapat maging grateful pa rin tayo sa kahit maliliit na blessings na binibigay sa atin ng Diyos. Who knows, yung maliit na blessings na yun, kapag pinagpasalamat pa rin natin at in-appreciate natin ng buong puso, ay magiging malaking blessings pala someday. Dati reklamador talaga ako at hindi ma-appreciate ang mga small things or small blessings na dumarating sa buhay ko. Pero now, lagi kong pinagpapasalamat na ang mga small blessings na yon at na-appreciate ko na talaga. Maybe life isn't perfect right now, but I can see the small blessings God is giving me every day. Patuloy lang akong maniniwala kahit hindi ko nakikita sa ngayon ang purpose ni Lord sa akin. Tahimik man ang langit, No signs, no answer to my prayers yet. But I know God's perfect timing will come. Magkakaroon din ng sagot sa mga manifestations ko.
No emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.